Bro, Josh just posted this. Dude, okay, we've done almost $1 million with almost solely Facebook ads. And Amazon just gave us a way to track our ROI with nothing else. Dude, we can double, we can triple that. We're gonna blow this thing up.
What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. We're KT9, Kale, Taylor. We're about 3 things here, and they're called making money online. So if that sounds good to you, smash that subscribe button. But like Taylor was talking about,
yes,
we're super excited today because one of our students brought this to our attention.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. So Joshua Mellon, he's killing it. He's been posting screenshots.
Yeah.
He's destroying. Maybe we'll throw some screenshots up, whatever.
Woo-hoo.
But he posted on the group, and he was literally like, the FBA gods have answered our prayers.
I know, and it was true. Like, I called you immediately. I was like,
yeah,
bro, this is going to change everything. And like Taylor said in the intro, we make a lot of money off Facebook ads. It's not a brag. We've been talking about it on the channel. And we were thinking to ourselves, this one hack could double that. Like, isn't that crazy?
Double it, triple it, who knows? Because now we have the ability to take all the knowledge that we have with Facebook ads and really take it to Amazon FBA without using anything else, without using any other program, without using anything else, and we can track our ROI. So we've been sitting here, we've been going through it. Kale, you want to take them through it?
Yeah, exactly. So if you're in Amazon, you're in Seller Central, this is the promotions tab. If you're wondering how to find this, go up to advertising and then down to promotions, okay? And what you're gonna see is this new thing right here. Social media promo code. Super cool. So what it does is it allows you to create a custom promo code that allows you to track every single social media marketing campaign that you do.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Literally beautiful.
So you hit create, you go in here, guys, and what you're gonna see is this screen where you just select your product, which is totally cool, and you can select the percentage off. Those are the 2 biggest things. So if you're doing a huge giveaway, select a bigger percentage.
Right.
If you're just doing a small sale, select 20 to 50%.
Right. You can even change the date and the time. So if you want this to be like a limited time discount, you want to run some kind of ad, you could even use this for email campaigns and put the link that you get in email campaigns, make it, put some urgency on there. Yes. And as you go down, we think that most people are going to use this for some kind of promo, giveaway, ranking, sales velocity. So we're going to recommend staying here at 1 unit in 1 checkout, just so somebody doesn't use this and get like 15% off of your entire order.
The only time I would say do unlimited units is if you're doing like 10% off and you just want someone to buy a ton of them because they're like, this is the best deal ever.
Right.
I want 50 of them for 10% off.
Another thing that we could really use this for that I just thought of is liquidating.
Yeah.
So if you do, or if you have a bad product you're trying to liquidate, you can start running ads, coupon code, unlimited units, unlimited checkouts, just get rid of them.
So cool. So it takes 4 hours to get started, but we took the time to do this ahead of time so you guys could see it. So if I go to advertising and promotions again, I'm going to be up here. I'm going to go to manage my promotions.
Okay.
Okay, so I have this test one right here, okay? So if I click on this, it's going to show you this magical screen.
Oh, it's magic.
So this magical screen is talking about where do I send people? What link do I give people to find this promotion? And so Amazon is giving us this special link. You can just copy this link, but if you click it, it goes directly to Amazon. And as you guys can see, it says save 15% on the eligible items below, and then it also automatically applies that promo code.
Correct.
It makes it so simple for the customer.
You don't have to worry about people getting a promo code, not using it. Before, there have always been ways to put promo codes in, but then you had to worry about people actually using them, people taking them, not using them, all that kind of stuff, right? So literally all anybody has to do is hit add to cart, goes to their cart, and it's there, promo code applied, don't have to do anything else.
So this is going to be a short video because like we said, there's no other tools that you need, right? So the way that this works is you go to Amazon and you're going to go up here to download report. So if I click download report, I already downloaded it on this other screen over here. And so the report is going to look something like this, guys. Okay. It's going to look something like this, where you have the claim code, what time someone bought, what time they ordered on, the discount, and then how much money you've made. And this is so good!
It's so powerful.
Because it's showing you how much money you made from that specific link. And then what do we do to compare?
So basically, if you're running Facebook ads, you're running something like that, right? All you have to do is do what we've done right here, split screen your screen, right? And then if you have a campaign where you're sending out this code, I guess, right? You can pull it up right here to amount spent, see how much money you're spending, and then you can go right over to Excel, see how many sales you're getting, and there is your ROI. You can do even the equations, everything in Excel.
Those of you, these people who are organized, who really are dedicated to Amazon FBA, this is going to blow up your business because you're able to see, boom, this is how much I spent, this is how much I made.
Right.
One tool right in the system.
Correct. And obviously you have to take out cost of goods sold, you have to do all that kind of stuff. But once again, you can do all of that in Excel. And before, we had to use so many different tools to try to figure out the ROI, and sometimes it didn't even work, right? But this is straight from Amazon. Amazon knows how powerful social media advertising is, and they have given us this tool, and Joshua Mallon was right, bro.
He was right.
The FBA gods have answered some prayers.
They have. And so with that, guys, this is a very short video, but we want to show you guys how you can also use this hack to retarget people, okay? We don't want to do it in this video. There's going to be a link right here. It's going to show you how to retarget people who click on your link, and you can send them follow-up offers that will double, maybe even triple your sales. Click that right here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.